Guys, hello, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. For all of my subscribers, thank you. For all of the new people who are coming by for the first time, welcome. I am Gina and I like to do wig reviews among other things, and so if you haven't commented or if you haven't subscribed yet, you may want to do so because I have some juicy videos that are coming down the line. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share the video. Feel free to share it to your friends, your family, to anyone that you think could benefit from this. But I wanted to go over this wig review very quickly, and this particular wig is by Brown Sugar. As you can see in the title, I did get it for $10. The original price was $39.99, so I'm excited. I saved money. And also, the construction of this wig, I'll show you that, and then I'll come back with the review of it. Signature part, so it has a parting here on the side, a side part, 2 combs in the front, one comb in the back, and the straps. So this is the construction of the wig. So now that you've seen the construction of the wig, again, the stock card shows that this is the style vibe is in the 1, not the 1B as I previously stated. Also, the tape on the back, the instructions on how to maintain the wig. So here we go. What do I get from this wig so far? What I think about it so far? I like it. I like it. It reminds me of roller set. So I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see the parting. It is advertised as signature part. So this part is on the right side of the wig. It's a human hair, syntex, you know, it's the blend of synthetic and human hair. Okay, so it's not human, not fully synthetic, it's mixed. Now this wig is very bouncy. Very bouncy. I mean, that volume and that bounce is something else. I mean, what? No. I like it. I like it, guys. I think the older it gets, the better it's going to look for some reason. For those of you who like big hair, here it is. Let me spin around one more time and let you see the back again. Now, I do not have any glue or anything like that in my hair. I just cut the lace off and put on the wig and put a little foundation in the parting of it. I did pluck it just a little bit. It didn't really need that. I mean, you could get away with just putting your foundation or your pressed powder there, but I plucked it just to give it a little bit more realistic, just a little wider part. So again, the parting, you see? Here we go. Like it. All right, that's it for this review. Thank you so much again for joining me, and don't forget to click on the bell. That's the notification button. It'll notify you each time I upload a video, and also don't forget to comment on it. Let me know what you thought about it. If you have this wig or how you style it. You know, it's my first time doing a curly wig like this, so I'm open to suggestions. And again, thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share with your family and friends. So I'll see you the next time.